girl! Sabi ko, ilang taon ako nung pinangarap ko pupunta dito.
Wow!
Ilang patak ng luha, bes. Lahat ginawa ko. Charot.
Grabe ba? Nanagid mo yan eh. We're here at Eiffel Tower. Say that.
Wow!
Show your tickets.
Okay, sige, daddy.
Where?
Mesdames, messieurs, bienvenue au deuxième étage. Welcome to the second floor. Enjoy your visit.
Second floor.
That's it.
I think that's
Voilà le
us.
deuxième étage, tout le monde descend. Ici, c'est le second floor. Deuxième étage. Et ça, c'est quand même c'est calme.
We're here at the second floor.
The view is good. It's not too cloudy.
But here, but this place
Yeah.
used to cloudy, right?
It can be really cloudy here when it's really hot. There is a lot of pollution, so you have a lot of fog. Yeah.
So we chose the loveliest day then.
Yeah, and it's not too cold also,
not
by
either.
the way. I'm going to do a little introduction about the city.
Yep.
You can film me, but not on strange sites. Like I'm telling you that again. For me, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you a little bit about what you can see, and I'm going to tell you the Eiffel Tower, including with the sightseeing. So we do everything in once.
All right.
I hope you're ready because the tour is for 9 hours. So.
Wow.
Of course, it's not true.
No.
It's already for the most a lot of it. Do you see the bridge here in front of you?
Yes.
Now, if you look behind the bridge, you see a fountain who is empty.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you go behind the fountain who is empty, you have like 2 wings, and you can see there a lot of humans. Do you see them?
Yeah.
What are the humans doing there? I think you know. They take pictures, huh?
Of the Eiffel Tower.
Of the Eiffel Tower, and maybe you know which pictures they are taking. The one like that, in a heart, and all this kind of funny ones are, of course, over there. Now, on the right wing, you have a museum. It's a museum of the humans. Left wing, museum of the architects. Under at the theater. But let's be honest, not so many people go inside. I think that's the best place to take the pictures also of the sparkling lights.
Oh, I see.
You know, at 6, 7, 8,
In
it's
the
all
evening.
time sparkling. All time on the hour for 5 minutes. Technically, it's illegal to take pictures when it's sparkling.
We
Why
read
is that? The artist, he has the copyrights for it, but nobody cares, so you don't have to worry about it.
I like that bit.
Between the 2 wings, you can see a little statue. Do you see it? Just
Yep, yep.
behind.
There's a green on top.
Yeah, and you can see with statues how a person died. If the horse have the 4 feet on the ground, the person is dead in his sleep. If the horse have 1 foot in the air, he's dead from his wounds or a disease, and 2 feet in the air, it's in the battlefield. It's a rule that you can use everywhere in the whole world, and you can use it with paints also. Can be fun to learn something.
Okay.
In the end, you
Interesting.
have downtown of Paris, the big buildings, La
Yeah.
Défense. Outside of Paris, because we want to keep Paris how it is. And in front of the big buildings, you have a little building in glass. Do you see it?
Yeah.
It looks like the Opera House in Sydney, a little bit similar.
Yeah.
That's the Louis Vuitton Foundation.
What is it?
If you want to buy a bag of 3,000 euros with 2 letters on it,
With 2 letters.
nice and interesting place.
I
And
know
then the
someone.
last little landscape, if you look on your right diagonal, you can see l'Arc de Triomphe. Do you see it there? The Arch of Triomphe.
Yeah.
Now, where you have the famous street, Les Champs-Élysées. And if you go to l'Arc de Triomphe and you want to visit the rooftop, never in your life cross that on the street. Huh? You go under the ground, otherwise you die. The roundabout is terrific,
Oh, yeah.
and only place in Paris if you do a car accident, there is no insurance.
Oh.
50-50. If you see how we drive there, I think you will understand why I'm telling you that story.
Interesting.
Did somebody went there? Did you
We are
went to
planning
the
to
arch?
go there
You will
Monday.
understand what I'm talking.
We'll see.
Now, anyway, if you go a little bit further, you have like, do you see it? The red building, Le Quai Branly, it's calling. If you look behind that red building, you can see a church with candies on it, like a
Yeah.
mosque,
Like kisses.
like kisses or whatever. It's a Russian Orthodox church. You have the tunnel where Lady Diana had her accident or not. The question, of course, today is still open about that. Is there a memorial for Lady Diana? There is no memorial. Why is that? She is English and she is monarchy. And the French, in their politics, you know, they are not so fan of English and monarchy. So you can understand why there is not really a memorial for her. A little bit further away, you have a palace with glass, Le Grand Palais, and the one next to it, it's Le Petit Palais. The glass rooftop of Le Grand Palais is 9,000 tons. The Eiffel Tower is 7,000 tons. Means that the tower is less heavy than that glass rooftop.
Oh gosh.
And that's the reason why the iron is open. Because if it would be closed, if it would be windy, it would move too much, and that's the reason that the wind can
Suya kay. Saan nga siga-siga kami? Christmas ba sa ilo dahil?
Naman da si Kuan, no? Naman da si Doraemon. Naman po da si Lupin the Third.
certaine et disquieting métamorphosis. Hélas, les choses ne sont pas toujours ce qu'elles paraissent. Tous les contes n'ont pas de fin heureuse. It appears everyone is doomed at Phantom Manor. Even you. And notice this. This chamber has no windows and no doors. It offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Par ailleurs, il n'y a ni porte, ni fenêtre, par où sortir. Si vous ne trouvez pas le moyen de vous échapper, le fantôme des lieux se fera un plaisir de vous aider. Great to see you.
Merci de faire ce voyage avec nous. Oh là.
En chacun de nous sommeille un esprit rêveur, une âme d'enfant qui ne demande qu'à s'amuser et à changer le monde en un lieu magique où les rêves deviennent réalité. Voici votre invitation pour un voyage.